Hey everyone, this is Tim from Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and pair your Xbox controller to your Xbox One, and this is actually really easy to do. So when we have our Xbox controller turned on, there's going to be a syncing and pairing button right here. All we have to do is press and hold this button down at the same time we do on our Xbox. So on our Xbox, there's also going to be a syncing and pairing button. So if we look at my Xbox One, it's going to be located right where this little black thing is over here to the right. So I'm going to hold this button down at the same time as my controller. So I got this button here and here, and you want both lights to blink at the same time. Hold it down for like 3 seconds, let go, and then they should be in sync after a few seconds. So that's the easiest way to connect and pair it. You might have to resort to a USB-C cord just like this on your Xbox. So if you plug in a USB cord and then press the Xbox button, it should connect it right away, and then you don't have to go through the hassle of having to press these buttons, and sometimes that will not work. So just make sure your Xbox controller is turned on and you should be able to get it to connect. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.